Etong mga journalist na to, sina Corina and Julius, one, they're already aging. And yung traditional media is on a decline. Nasa internet na mga tao. And people, for better or for worse, are choosing to watch internet personalities, mga commentators, 'di ba? Whether may silbihan o wala, bawas na significantly ang viewers ng mainstream media. What they're trying to do is be present in both spaces. Nasa mainstream media ka and you are also in new media, in alternative media. They're trying to have their cake and eat it too. Kasi puhunan nila yung credibility, automatic mabilis magkaroon ng followers yan. Kasi kilala na sila ng mga tao eh. Even, I wouldn't call it credibility. It's just, for me, it's just popularity. And also, they have the influence to get good guests. They can easily get artistas, easily get politicians, kasi kilala sila eh. Pwede mo silang panoorin kasi yung mga guest nila ay interesting para sa mga tao. And ang isang laging pinagmamayabang ng mga journalist kasi, ng mga nasa mainstream, kaming mga taga-media, meron kaming code of ethics, meron kaming pinagbabasihan kung paano namin ginagawa at para maging responsable kami. Kumbaga, next level kami and you are not trained. Yun ang pinapangamukha sa mga vloggers at sa mga podcasters. You did not have the training we had. Mas mataas kami sa inyo. I'm sorry, condescendingly. Tapos eto, the biggest names in Philippine media history, eto naman yung gawain, 'di ba? So, what kind of credibility ang pagmamalaki mo sa akin ngayon?